Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. As we embark on our journey through Ramadan, let us delve into the essential daily habits that every Muslim must practice. Today we'll explore these habits through the lens of Islamic techniques rooted in our faith. Let's begin. Number 1. Sleep discipline. Sleep is the cornerstone of our physical and spiritual well-being, especially during Ramadan. While our sleep may be reduced, it's crucial to maintain discipline. Follow the example of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and limit excess sleep. Take short naps if needed, but avoid oversleeping, as it diminishes the blessings and growth opportunities of Ramadan. Number 2. Prioritize prayers. Salah is the pillar of our faith, and it must be prioritized above all else, even during Ramadan. Ensure that your prayers are not compromised, even on late nights. Never let worldly engagements hinder your Fajr prayer, for neglecting it is perilous to your faith. Remember, every prayer is significant, and missing them jeopardizes our spiritual well-being. Number 3. Embrace Quranic studies. Dive deep into the ocean of the Quran during Ramadan. Set a daily reading goal and stick to it diligently. Treat each verse as a source of guidance and enlightenment. By immersing ourselves in Quranic studies, we enrich our souls and strengthen our connection with Allah. Number 4. Mindful eating. During Ramadan, our eating habits undergo significant changes. Be mindful of what you consume, focusing on nourishing your body and soul. Avoid excessive indulgence and prioritize wholesome foods. Remember, moderation is key to maintaining physical vitality and spiritual clarity. Number 5. Hydration strategy. Hydration is paramount, especially in hot climates during Ramadan. Develop a hydration strategy that ensures you replenish fluids effectively. Start with a gradual reintroduction of fluids after breaking your fast to safeguard kidney health. Avoid caffeine at night to promote restful sleep and overall well-being. Number 6. Exercise. Wisely. Exercise is beneficial during Ramadan, but approach it with caution and wisdom. Begin with light activities, gradually increasing intensity as your body adapts. Schedule workouts around prayer times to optimize energy levels and prevent overexertion. Prioritize safety and listen to your body's signals to avoid exhaustion. Number 7. Continuous self-improvement. Ramadan serves as a catalyst for personal growth and spiritual elevation. Beyond the month of fasting, strive to maintain the positive changes you've cultivated. Reflect on your journey, set goals for ongoing self-improvement, and remain steadfast in your commitment to Allah's path. By implementing these Islamic techniques into our lives, we not only enhance our spiritual connection with Allah, but also foster personal growth and self-improvement. As we commit to these practices, let us do so with the intention of seeking Allah's pleasure and striving to become better versions of ourselves. May this Ramadan be a time of profound spiritual awakening, transformative growth, and steadfast devotion to our faith. May Allah bless us all with strength, guidance, and blessings throughout this blessed month of Ramadan and beyond. Ameen. Ramadan Mubarak to all, and may we all emerge from this sacred month with hearts purified, souls uplifted, and lives enriched by the grace of Allah.